4, that is a plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level at a particular point. It is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? Now see here, the words which are newly or which are not familiar for you is, first is sea level. I will give you one two-line explanation for sea level. Sea level is nothing but it's a normal height what we take on the earth to measure the mountains or the depth of the seas. Okay, see, sometime you must have heard the Ooty or the some hill stations are situated 1500, 1200, 800, 400 meter above the sea level. See how it is measured. On earth is not a flat surface. Earth is having a mountains, valleys, sea, or so many ups and downs. So to measure all that, they will take one equal or one straight line, which will be called as sea level. See here, I will just explain here. So mountains and valleys are given. This is what sea level. The line is sea level. The sea level is the exact flat line between the mountains and the depth of the seas. So that will be measured as 0. Then above that will be what? Mountains and trees or whatever you take on the buildings, high rises, these will be above. Then the lower one, that is valleys, depth of the sea, depth of the ocean, depth of the sometimes rivers, ponds, well, okay, your bore wells. This is what? Down, below that, your minings, so many things which you will dig around the below the earth, that will be what? Below sea level. So now this is the sea level. There will be one aeroplane and there will be one submarine. Submarine, I think it is, you all know that, it is a kind of a ship, or you can say that it's a kind of a closed ship which can be survived or which will be there below the sea, below the water, below the ocean. So that will be what used mainly for the military purposes, armies and all those kind of things will be there. And recently you must have, if you have seen the movie Ghazi Attack, on that you will see the submarine, and most of you know that the submarine, how it is done. It is same like an aeroplane which is under the water. Then the aeroplane, I think about aeroplane all of you know. Now the two things are there at the same point, and the same point, for example, take it is our Indian Ocean near Sri Lanka or near Mumbai or near Cochin, wherever, where there is a depth and height. At the same point, the aeroplane is 5000 meter above the sea level, and the submarine is 1200 meter below the sea level. So they are asking the distance between them, the distance together. The distance is nothing but it is 5000 plus 1200 meter. Mainly most of the children what I had seen will do wrong here. As I given the explanation, this is 0, this is below is negative, positive. So we will subtract in that. No, they are not asking that. They are not asking the difference between the heights and all. They are asking the what is the total distance between them. Means the distance from this point to this point. If you take this as a, this as a B. Okay. So together distance between A and B, what they are asking. So height of the aeroplane, height is how much? 5000 meter, and here the depth is 1200 meter. So distance, total distance is, add together 0, 0 and 0 and 5, sorry, 2, 0, 0, then 5 plus 1, 6. 6200 meter. 6200 meter is what? The total distance between the 2 points, point A and point B. The total distance between them is what? 6200 meter. Okay. Okay, now the next question is, Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1642 from it next day. Find the balance amount. See, here they are given the deposition and withdrawal. So first understand what is deposition and what is withdrawal. In that, one more thing they are asked, what is that? How we will represent the withdrawal and how we will represent the deposit. See, deposit is always what you are keeping or what you are giving in the bank. So if you are giving in the bank, you are adding your bank amount. If you take it as an asset, then you are adding some amount to that. So always it is shown in the positive. If you are withdrawing from that, you are withdrawing for yourself also, but you are making less in your asset. Okay, if you are making less in your asset, that will be always taken as a negative. See, now for this I can give you the example. If for example, if you want to take some video game or some new gift for your friend, and you are keep adding the amount in your money bank or your small money bank, in piggy bank, what we call. In that, if you are 1 week, if you had kept the amount and it is come to now 80 rupees, okay, you are keep adding, every day you will add 10 rupees, okay, so you are adding to that, that is positive. One day suddenly you want some chocolate or some ice cream in the middle of that, and you want to take money from that only, then you will take from that. That is what? Taking back. To taking back, it takes in the negative. So this is how the positive and negative will be given. So always withdrawal or the what you can deposit is positive and withdrawal is negative. Remember this. So positive will be a deposit and withdrawal will be shown by the negative integer. So according to this, now deposit is how much? Rupees 2000 minus withdrawal is 1642. So we have to add, subtract the rupees 2000 and rupees 1642. So now directly if you will add here, inside I will add and show you here, that is 2000 and 1642. 10 minus 2 is 8, 10 minus 5 is 5, 10 minus 7 is 3, 2 minus 2 is 0. So your balance is 358 rupees. That is 358 rupees is what? Balance. Means which is available in your account. The balance amount is 358 rupees. Understood? So we'll go to next question. The next question is given lengthy, but the answer is very short. Only thing you should understand here, which is positive, which is 0, which is positive side, which is negative side. This is like a number line. Okay, they are given a Rita goes 20 km towards the east from A to B. From B she moves 30 km towards the west. Along the same road, it is distance towards the east represented by positive integer. Then how will you represent the distance traveled towards the west? By which integer will you represent her final position from the A? See, this is how, see, for example, now if you are standing in one point, okay, if you are standing in a point A, if I am standing in a point A now here, if I move 2 steps this side, okay, if I move 2 steps to my left, that will be taken as positive. Okay, if I move 2 steps this side, that will be taken, the right side, that will be taken as negative. So first observe me here, I am moving 2 steps this side. How much you are given? 20 kilometer. Okay, 20 kilometer. This is a point, what? 0. From here, left side of my right hand, I am moving 2 steps. 1 step and 2 steps. Okay, this is what 0, it is there here. 2 steps I am to the positive. Now I have to come 3 steps that side. So 1, 2. For 2, I am in my original position, and 1 more here. So this is my 30. So which side I am now? Negative side of the number line. Understood? So this side will be shown with the negative and that side will be shown with the positive. Same way here. So the point A is a middle, which you can take it as a 0. Now west. So first they are given is the east from A to B, and she moves 30 km to the west along with the same road. Okay. So it is the distance towards the east is represented positive. So this distance is represented as a positive, then of course this is what? Negative. Okay. So she is moving 20 km, 2 steps, which I showed you. So first east distance is how much? 20 kilometer positive. Then to the west it is minus 30 kilometer. Why? Because if you are showing that as a positive and you have to show this as a negative, because it is the opposite of the side, opposite of the number line. Then 30 kilometer. Now if I add together, this is 20 plus minus 30, then 20 minus 30 is opposite sign, so subtraction. So subtraction operation, 30 minus 20 is 10. 10 kilometer, and bigger number is 30, so I wrote the minus 10. So your final position of her distance will be represented by the minus 10 kilometer. From A, her position is minus 10 kilometer away from point A. Okay, she is 10 kilometer away from her. If you take this as her position now, so this is 10 kilometer away from the point A. Understood? These are the problems which are given in the exercise 1.1 of NCERT textbook 7th standard. Okay, we will move to next questions now.